First, let's address the physical connections. Disconnect the HDMI cable that runs from your computer to your monitor. Sometimes, dust or debris can accumulate in the connectors, leading to an intermittent connection. Try gently blowing into both ends of the cable to clear any obstructions. After cleaning, firmly replug the HDMI cable into your external monitor and check if this resolves the issue. If you have a spare HDMI cable available, it is also a good idea to try replacing the current one. A faulty cable can often be the culprit behind these display problems. If the physical checks do not solve the problem, we need to adjust display settings in Windows. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, and click on the resulting window. On the left-hand side, click on System, and then select Display. Scroll down to the Scale option, and ensure it is set to the recommended value. Similarly, check the Display Resolution, and make sure it is also set to the recommended amount. Next, let's dive into Advanced Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display. At the very top of this screen, confirm that you have the correct monitor selected. Now scroll down to the Refresh Rate option. Typically, you will want to set the refresh rate to the highest hertz value available for optimal picture quality and performance. However, if your screen is intermittently turning off and on, reducing the refresh rate can sometimes resolve this. If your refresh rate is set to anything over 100 Hz, try reducing it to 60 Hz and see if that stabilizes your display. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.